Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about how to draw the SMT in the live chart. So in this video I am going to teach you about how to draw the SMT in the live chart. So now we are going to see about how to draw in the live market. So now we are going to in the live market. So how to apply in the live market. Now we are going to see about. So now I am choosing the pair which is Euro USD and I have uploaded about what is mean by SMT and what is meant by positively correlated pairs and negatively correlated pairs. In this video, I will teach you how does the positively correlated pair work and negatively correlated pair work. So I choose the example of Euro USD for the positive correlated pair. So sometimes you need premium. You need premium to access a two chart. You can see here. If you have a premium, you can watch the two chart as a certain time. So I think lot of the beginner they don't have the premium chart. So I am also the beginner one. So I doesn't have the premium account. So I does not have a premium chart. So how does I use the chart to find SMT? So go to the settings and click this plus. After that, enter which pair do you need. Okay, now we need our which is the Euro USD's positive coordinate is GBP USD. Waiting for GBP USD. After that, click this new panel. Then you can find here, you can find the chart in here. Next, go to the setting and click the style and change this into candlestick. Wait, go to this input visibility style. Go to this and click the candles. Then you can automatically, then defaultly, default I don't change the default. Okay. So you can assist the same this. So now we are using why I am using the SMT. So you can see here Euro chart. The Euro chart is here. The Euro chart is here. Same movement. You can see how does the Euro move. The Euro GBP and GBP USD move in the same direction. So it is known as positively correlated. So in Euro USD market create a higher high and GBP USD also market create a higher high. You can see here market create a higher high. So we mark this higher high as a SMT. Can mark this as an SMT. So market has been broken in both. So if market has been breaker in Euro USD and not break in GBP USD, which is known as manipulation. So this is known as SMT, which is known as positively correlated SMT. Now we are going to see about negatively correlated SMT. So in negatively correlated SMT, now if the market create a higher high, in negative pair it will create a lower low. So now I am going to use the USD JPY which is known as negatively correlated pair. So I choose the USD GPP. So waiting for OK. Then go to settings. So let's wait. Okay. Go to this. Add GBP USD new panel. Go to setting. Go to line chart. Click candle. Let's see. You can see here. I will explain properly. In this, the market in Euro USD, the market create a higher rate. And in GBP USD market create a lower low. And why are we using this? In USD JPY, market does not break this liquidity is known as SMT. So this is known as SMT. So it is known as negatively correlated SMT. Now I have teach you about how to draw the positively and negatively correlated SMT in the live chart. Okay. I think you understand how to draw this in live market. So if you are doubting this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you guys.